What's going on YouTube? This is your boy The Vintage Man. We are back on a video, and today we got a lot to talk about, man. First things first, make sure you go check out GRIPP right now. You guys already know I've been telling you guys about them for the past couple of months. You gotta get your GRIPP, man. The best sole protectors on the market. Check it out. It's super easy install. I will be giving you guys the installation video very soon. I'm gonna show you guys something I already did on my Air Jordan 6 infrared. I went ahead and put on my GRIPP on these infrared 6s. I don't want to get them dirty. I want to preserve my outsoles, and GRIPP is the way to go. Right now, GRIPP is doing a PlayStation 5 giveaway. I know everybody wants a PS5, and GRIPP is giving away to one lucky supporter of the brand, man. All you have to do is use my code TheVintage40. Check out what gets some GRIPP, and every single purchase you make enters you into a chance to win a free PlayStation 5, man. I still ain't even got the PlayStation 5, so make sure you go check it out right now. GRIPP, the best sole protectors on the market. I will link it down below. Make sure you use my code TheVintage40 and save you 40% off your order, and you can win a PlayStation 5, man. Take advantage of it. And yes sir, check it out. We have the Xbox Series X. Finally, I camped 12 hours just for this bad boy right here. I was so close, so close to getting a PlayStation 5 myself, but I was only able to pull out this Xbox Series X. I'm satisfied with it. I'm just waiting on Halo to come out because I'm really anticipating playing that game. Halo is something I really grew up on, and I cannot wait till it drops for the new Xbox, man. So like I said, I got the Xbox right here. Check it out. We did a little bit of Black Friday shopping, man. I got a couple other things for the family, and but the main meat and potatoes of this video right now is a package I got from Yeezy Supply, man. Your boy hit on a pair of sneakers, Yeezy Supply. I couldn't believe it. You guys were on a live stream with me. I think it was going for actually another sneaker. I took an L and I went ahead and went over to Yeezy Supply after the release, and your boy ended up getting a W. Super clutch. I couldn't believe it. So we're about to get into this right now. But if you are new to the channel, right now what I need you guys to do is hit that subscribe button, ring notification bell for your boys so you never miss any other video, any other unboxing. I did unbox that Xbox Series X, so if you want to see that, go check out the gaming channel. We'll be live tonight streaming some Call of Duty play, so you don't want to miss out on that. Link down below. Hit that subscribe button to the gaming channel. Also, head over to IG, give your boy a follow at The Vintage World. I've been posting a little bit of steals and deals on my IG story. Make sure you do not miss out on that. So right now, go over to IG and give your boy a follow. And tomorrow, man, we will be getting the Air Jordan 4 Fire Red official release. They already released twice. It's a shock drop. It was exclusive access drop, and now we're getting the official release. Your boy already doubled up on his pair, so I'm good. I will be trying to get the giveaway winner's pair. I'm gonna get like a random size or something like that, and I'm gonna give it away to whoever wins the Fire Red 4 giveaway, man. I will be giving that pair away as soon as we hit 40,000 subs. Hey, who knows? We might hit 40,000 subs tomorrow. That is the goal. So make sure you pull up to the live stream, man. With all that out the way, let's go ahead and jump right into the sneakers from Yeezy Supply. Yeah, guys, I really love Yeezy Supply boxes because you don't need a knife. I don't even know why I brought it over here. But let's go ahead and peel this thing open. Super easy to open, you feel me? You don't got just steal me all over the box. I like how Nike just switched it up. They don't got that tape on there no more. That's super dope for people, you know. Probably not around my neighborhood, but I wouldn't even put it past nobody around my neighborhood either. They might think they got a free pair of shoes from Nike. So here you have it. You guys already know, a brown Yeezy box. Let's go ahead and flip this thing out real quick. Oh, there we go. And check it out, check it out. We have a Yeezy 700, man. It's been a bunch of 700 releasing, V1s, V2s, and now we got some V3s, baby. My first in the collection. These are the Yeezy 700 V3, Sunflower, Sunflower, and Sunflower. Check it out. Look at that size tag. You guys know that, you know, Yeezy usually puts whatever the colorway is, whatever the shoe name is, on the official colorway right there. As you can see, I ain't knocking it, but I do feel like they should do something a little bit different, man, a little bit different. So let's pull these things open. My first 700 V3 in the collection. I'm super excited. I know whoever out there got their first pair is excited as well. So let's go ahead and peel these things open for you guys. And yeah, man, check them out. Check them out. You got an extra set of shoelaces, which is something new with Yeezy, man. I feel like this is the first year Kanye really been adding extra laces in our shoes, which I think is very dope. So let's go ahead and pull them open. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh my God, these things are beautiful. Whew. Bro, these things are clean, man. I knew I was gonna love them. And bro, check these joints out. Oh my God. Y'all gotta hit that like button right now. A manual cop, even though these aren't going for much on the resale value, bro, the colorway is so clean, bro. Oh my God, I don't even know how to break this sneaker down. Let's pull the other one out the box and let's see what's going on with these things, man. So real quick, I wanted to touch up on the laces. I think the only way to get these laces apart is if you cut it. I seen somebody else do it on a video. I'm not too sure if that's how you do it. I definitely do not want to, you know, cut my laces up, you feel me? But let me see what kind of laces are in here. Okay, so some regular black laces. I don't know. I might want to, you know, throw the regular black lace in there, you know, to give it that nice little loose lace feel to it. But man, these things are beautiful. You guys let me know how you feel about these down below in the comment section. Something different, something crazy, something exotic. And man, I feel like Kanye is killing it with the new innovations, the new sneaker designs, and the V3 really put Kanye over the top, man, as far as his sneaker models. This is my favorite Yeezy sneaker, this silhouette, the 700 V3. Even past the wave runners, you feel me? Because you imagine if they put the wave runner colorway on these joints right here. Oh man, I would definitely have to cop them things. I think this is the 4th colorway in the 700 V3. I know it was the bone, the Zills, and I think it was the Avlas, if I'm not mistaken, the all black pair. And then we got these flowers. I am super excited to have these joints in the collection. Your boy cannot wait to throw these joints on feet. You got this huge bulky midsole going around the entire sneaker, giving it that nice, you know, different exotic look. And on the inner and on the outer of this sneaker, you have a mesh see-through panel on both sides right here. Check it out right there. And on top, of course, you're getting that like sunflower vibes, that yellow colorway going throughout the sneaker with that skeleton cage or whatever you want to call it on top. Check out the tongue, it's even super different. And you have some 3M hits on the bottom of the lacing system of these 700 V3s. So with these 700 V3s, they did not come with boost material in it. I don't know if it's just this one right here, but I believe the midsole has ortholite memory foam throughout the entire sneaker. This is only my 2nd Yeezy without the boost material in it, so I'm very interested to see how this things feel, man. If you do have them already in the collection, let me know how you rocking with them. Are you feeling them? Are they comfortable? Are they uncomfortable? Let me know something down below, man. But I know some people out there that feel like this is a little bit too much, a little bit more on the exotic end. But then there's people out there that really love the new innovations that Kanye are doing. So let me know everything down below in the comment section. That's pretty much it for the little overview over the sneaker. If you guys want me to do a full like in-depth review or just on feet, let me know something down below in the comment section. I just really want to emphasize some of the steals and deals that's going on this Black Friday, and number one is Drip Grip. Right now they're doing a 40% off sale for the best sneaker outsole protectors in the market. All you gotta do is use my code DaVintage40 and save a lot of money, and you can enter yourself into winning a free PlayStation 5. I don't even have the PlayStation 5. I camped 12 hours just for it, and I only ended up with the Xbox Series X. I'm still grateful for what I got, but I'm really trying to get that PS5. And I know you guys are too. So go shop Drip Grip right now using the code DaVintage40. Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. Ring notification bell for your boys so you never miss any other video that drops. And please head over to the Second Gamer channel. Hit that subscribe button because we will be going live. And I'm gonna do an unboxing over the Xbox Series X. I appreciate all of the support. Thank you guys for pulling up. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.